guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Nerf Waternator. I got it brand new yesterday, so I'm going to warm up by doing a jump and a flip. Now front flip. Now let's review the toy. Quick thing, a rule always for boys, don't go down steps, jumping. Let's fill this out. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, you ready? So let's see how far this thing can shoot. Wow, that's pretty far. Okay, now it's farther. So this is how you shoot. You press it forward and do it this way, shoots. So do that, shoots. Do that, shoots. So if you shoot this way, this way. Okay, so that's how high you can shoot. So we'll see if it can shoot underwater. Unfortunately, no, it cannot shoot underwater. I'll give it another try. There's air bubbles. Those were the shots, so pretty much it can't shoot from underwater. So that's, and it can float in case if you can use it as a diving board. Nope, you cannot use it as a diving board. So this is pretty heavy when, oh my god, let me flip it again. This is pretty good. So this is pretty good. If you want this, I got it in Target. So see you next time. Bye bye. Dab life.